Welcome to our channel. How to connect Cinamon Wi-Fi Repeater to your router. Power on the repeater. Plug your Cinamon Wi-Fi Repeater into a nearby power outlet and ensure it is receiving power. Wait until the power light turns solid, indicating that the device is ready for configuration. Place the repeater near the router. For the initial setup, position your repeater close to your main Wi-Fi router. This ensures a strong and stable signal during the connection process, which helps avoid setup interruptions. Connect to the repeater's network on your smartphone, tablet, or laptop. Open your Wi-Fi settings and look for the default Cinamon repeater network name. Select it and wait until your device confirms a successful connection. Open the setup page, launch a web browser and type the repeater's default IP address into the address bar. You can find this IP address in the user manual, but it is often something like 192.168.10.1 or 192.168.0.1. Log into the admin panel. When the login page appears, enter the default username and password listed in the instruction booklet. This will give you access to the configuration settings of your Cinamon Wi-Fi repeater. Select your router's Wi-Fi network. Inside the setup menu, you will see a list of available wireless networks. Find your main router's Wi-Fi name, SSID, and click on it to proceed with the pairing process. Enter your router's password. Type in the correct Wi-Fi password for your main router. Double-check to make sure there are no typing mistakes, as an incorrect password will prevent the repeater from connecting successfully. Save and apply settings. Click the Save or Apply button to confirm your setup. The repeater will take a few moments to reboot and link itself to your main Wi-Fi network automatically. Reposition the repeater. After setup is complete, unplug the repeater and move it to an area roughly halfway between your router and the weak signal zone. This location ensures the best coverage expansion. Test your connection. Reconnect your device to the extended Wi-Fi network and try browsing websites or running a speed test. If the connection is strong, your Cinamon Wi-Fi repeater is now fully set up and ready to use. Thank you for watching.